Hey YouTube, this is box number 2 of Topps Chrome Update Series. Let's see. This one's packaged really well. There must be something good in it. Alright. Pack 1. Well, there's 7 packs per box. I think I forgot to say that in the last video. So. This is a rookie pack. Nope, had to jinx it. That's weird. For a moment there, I thought it could have been a plate. Oh, okay, no, it's just a history lesson. Okay, we got another decent rookie on the back here. Francisco. And Jose Canseco. Oh, there's another good rookie on the back. I already got this guy from the last box. And Guerrero Jr. Down to 2 packs, still no autographs. Oh, crap. Alright, Freddie Freeman. Mike Brantley. Trevor Story. Greatest players, Cal Ripken Jr. Alright, last pack. Come on, autograph. Oh, well, we got a numbered one. If it's not autographed, it's numbered. Michael Chavez. There's Yastrzemski's Carl Yastrzemski's son, Mike Yastrzemski. Anderson, Sean Anderson. Not autographed. Chris Paddock. Refractor. Numbered 16 of 250. Rookie. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, and I'll subscribe to you as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.